Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Penis Pump No. 2 by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Penis Pump No. 2 itself, and as you can see it's a really impressive sized penis pump and you can give your penis more volume. This pump is ideal for more experienced users and is very simple and easy to use. With the opening just here, very simple. Apply some water-based lubricant to your penis and to the round opening here, and let your penis glide in. You can start by pumping by using the little pump just here, and you can watch your penis grow every time. There's even a measuring line just here, so you can watch how fast your penis is growing. There's also an air pressure release button just here, so you can release the vacuum at any time. The opening just here is made of a soft silicone material, so it feels very soft and smooth on the skin and really comfortable to wear during use. Make sure to clean the pump after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water for good hygienic use. And that is the Penis Pump No. 2 by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.